Our thematic, Fostering Mutual Respect, Promoting Positive Behaviours in Secondary Schools, explores approaches to promoting positive behaviour in schools in Wales. It highlights the challenges that secondary schools face and includes spotlights of effective practice. The report suggests that there are many reasons why pupils may display challenging behaviour and notes that schools are dealing with persistent low-level disruption, acts of defiance and to a lesser extent physical confrontations. External factors such as the influence of social media and community-related issues such as antisocial behaviour have led to more complicated behaviours seen in schools. The focus of the thematic report is to identify the approaches that create positive behaviours in secondary schools. These include robust self-evaluation, positive working relationships and a sense of belonging, effective communication with parents, specific provisions for supporting pupils, good transition information when pupils move from primary to secondary or from one school to another. It also explores the thoughtful curriculum planning, the effective teaching and the clear policy around mobile phone use, and regular professional learning and training for all staff. There are a number of useful spotlights from secondary schools across Wales included, and the toolkit that accompanies the report aims to encourage schools to evaluate their approaches to promoting positive behaviour.